Yamaha's XSR lineup has long been a beloved choice for riders seeking a perfect balance between modern performance and retro aesthetics. Introduced as part of Yamaha's Sport Heritage series, the XSR900 made its debut in 2016, instantly gaining popularity for its blend of classic style and cutting-edge technology. Drawing inspiration from Yamaha's rich racing history, the XSR900 was designed to evoke nostalgia while delivering top-notch performance, thanks to its powerful CP3 engine and advanced electronics. Over the years, the model has undergone several updates to stay relevant in the ever-evolving motorcycle market. On March 13, 2025, Yamaha unveiled the latest version of the XSR900, marking another chapter in the bike's legacy. While the changes may appear minor at first glance, they reflect Yamaha's commitment to continuous refinement. The riding position has been subtly adjusted to enhance comfort and control, while various equipment and electronic control systems have received minor updates to improve the overall riding experience. Additionally, Yamaha introduced a fresh color lineup, offering riders new ways to express their style on the road. To complement the launch of this updated model, Yamaha's official accessory manufacturer, YS Gear, has released a set of custom accessories designed exclusively for the 2025 XSR900. These include a dedicated front cowl and seat cowl, available in 3 elegant colors: white, black, and ivory. Carefully crafted to match the bike's neo-retro design, these cowls enhance both the aesthetics and aerodynamics of the vehicle. The front cowl features a hollowed-out design that aligns harmoniously with the shape of the fuel tank and accentuates the XSR900's bold, classic lines. This stylish addition not only adds to the bike's vintage appeal but also enhances airflow and improves wind protection for the rider. The seat cowl, meanwhile, comes with a decal reminiscent of classic racing number plates, allowing riders to add a touch of personalization. Together, these two accessories provide an eye-catching dress-up effect that elevates the overall look of the motorcycle. One of the standout options in this accessory lineup is the ivory color, which holds special significance. It was created specifically to match a Japan-exclusive body color available only for a limited time. The ivory-colored XSR900 will be on sale until September 30th, 2025, while the matching front and seat cowls will be available until December 31st, 2025. This limited edition offering adds an element of exclusivity to the model, making it particularly appealing to collectors and enthusiasts. By offering these custom accessories, Yamaha and YS Gear aim to give XSR900 owners more opportunities to personalize their rides and make them stand out on the road. Whether opting for the sleek black, the timeless white, or the exclusive ivory, riders can tailor their bikes to reflect their unique tastes. As the Yamaha XSR900 continues to evolve, it remains a testament to the enduring appeal of neo-retro motorcycles. With its blend of modern technology, vintage aesthetics, and thoughtfully designed accessories, the 2025 XSR900 is set to continue captivating riders who appreciate both performance and style.